if you're experiencing frame stuttering in Baldur's Gate 3, calibrating your settings can help improve performance. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to ensure they are adequate for smooth gameplay. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing the most recent drivers can resolve compatibility issues and improve game performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Baldur's Gate 3 and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution, reduce texture quality, and turn off all lower effects like shadows and anti-aliasing. This can help reduce the load on your system and minimize stuttering. Step 4. Optimize background processes. Close unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume system resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and end tasks that are not needed while playing the game, freeing up CPU and RAM for better performance. Step 5. Enable VSync or frame rate limiting. In the graphics settings, enable VSync or set a frame rate limit to match your monitor's refresh rate. This can help eliminate screen tearing and stuttering by synchronizing the game's frame output with your display. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stability while playing Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.